Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Turbina Eólica is probably one of the most impactful renewable energy solutions available today, transforming wind power into a usable electricity source and offering a sustainable alternative to traditional energy methods. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect wind turbine for your needs, covering key factors such as capacity, location, and maintenance. Number 5. DIY Wind Turbine Kit. This innovative kit lets you build your own small wind turbine, perfect for adding a unique touch to your backyard. It powers a colorful LED light strip, illuminating your space with the energy of the wind. No batteries or external power needed. The brighter the wind, the brighter the lights. Enjoy a dynamic, colorful display on windy evenings. Assemble this kit with your kids. It's an educational and engaging experience. They'll love watching the lights dance in the wind. It's built with durable, weather-resistant materials and a brushless motor, ensuring it withstands strong winds and lasts for years. It's also rainproof and virtually silent. Installation is simple. Use the included flange and screws to mount it on railings, fences, or any open area. Make sure it's unobstructed for optimal performance. This kit brings the power of nature right to your backyard, creating a magical and sustainable light show. What we like. It's a fun, easy-to-assemble kit that adds a unique, colorful touch to your backyard. If you enjoy DIY projects and want an eco-friendly way to decorate your outdoor space, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for families with kids who want a fun, engaging project and a whimsical outdoor light display. What people say. The package contains more than we expected. Ours included a test bulb and a temporary PVC mount that was sturdy enough to stand up the windmill and blow a DeWalt shop fan on it for a successful test. Easy to assemble. Great instructions, perfect fit, even a spare nut, bolt, and blade. Bonus screwdriver and wrench included in ours. Easy to put all the parts together. My 4-year-old can help and learn from it. Also have potential to add on your own idea. I added the snowflake LED light myself to welcome the first measurable snow on 2023. I connected 2 more LED light strings to the wind turbine generator. It still works as usual. Super cool watching all strings light up at the same time at windy days. Very high quality product, spinning very smoothly even in the breeze, and stay strong in high wind. Pretty LED light strips light up at night. Enjoy watching it day and night outside my windows. This little unit is really very good for teaching about wind energy. 3-phase with rectifier to change it to DC voltage. It produces enough to charge some small batteries. It is sturdy enough for normal wind here in Kansas, but it would not take a tornado, but it's not designed to either. For the money, it was definitely worth the value. Number 4. 1600W 5-blade wind turbine generator. It's a powerful and efficient small wind turbine, ideal for industrial use. It boasts a 5-blade design for optimal energy capture. With approximately 600 mm blades, it starts generating power at just 2.0 ms winds. It's built to withstand winds up to 50 ms. This unit delivers a rated power of 1600 W at 12 ms winds. It's designed for reliable and consistent performance. It features a patented permanent magnet rotor alternator and a unique stator design. This ensures smooth, stable power generation. It's designed for easy installation, maintenance, and repair, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience. It also has low vibration for quiet operation. It has a slow startup speed and a high wind energy utilization rate, meaning you get more power from the wind. This makes it a cost-effective solution. What we like. This powerful turbine is built for serious energy production. If you need a reliable source of renewable energy for industrial applications, this is the one for you. Its high power output makes it suitable for larger-scale projects where significant energy generation is required. What people say. The replacement package arrived today. I opened the box and much to my surprise, they sent a brand new wind generator. While the turbine itself seemed promising, the turbine itself appeared to be of decent quality, but I am still unable to fully test its performance. Number 3. 800W Wind Turbine Kit. It boasts a slow startup speed and high wind energy utilization rate, perfect for various applications. With accurately injection-molded blades and an optimized aerodynamic design, it offers great resistance to water and sand. Its user-friendly design makes installation, maintenance, and repair a breeze. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to use. This eco-friendly turbine increases annual power generation and is both beautiful and durable. Everything you need is included: motor, blades, controller, blade cover, spacer, and tools. You can start using it right away. It's ideal for charging boats, powering terraces, cabins, or mobile homes. Enjoy reliable off-grid power. What we like. It's a compact and efficient generator perfect for various applications. If you're looking for a reliable power source for boats, cabins, or mobile homes, this is a great option. Its versatility and ease of use make it suitable for a wide range of needs. What people say. The controller worked good on testing several times on 24V and 12V batteries. The mating mounting flange, shown in the hardware picture with a bad case of styrofoam measles, has an ID of 28.8 mm. The manual specifies that the flange should be welded to a iron barrel type tower whose OD is 48 mm and thickness is 4.5 mm. Number 2. Nature's Generator Wind Turbine. Introducing a reliable and efficient way to harness wind power. It's perfect for various applications, from land-based installations to marine use. It boasts durable fiberglass nylon composite blades and a cast aluminum alloy body with powder coating for superior weather resistance. The 12 AWG pure copper cable ensures efficient power transmission. It features weatherproof connectors for reliable performance in any condition. The versatile yaw system fits standard 1.5-inch pipes or towers for easy installation. It delivers a rated electrical power of 150 W, even at a wind speed of 27 miles per hour. It's built to withstand winds up to 110 miles per hour. It comes with everything you need: a 100-foot cable and a controller box. It's a complete, ready-to-use system. It includes the main body, hub, nose cone, 5 blades, 100-foot cable, controller box, user manual, and an accessory bag. A 1-year limited warranty is also provided. What we like. This turbine comes with everything you need for easy setup and use, both on land and sea. If you want a hassle-free, ready-to-go wind power solution, this is your best bet. Its comprehensive design simplifies installation and ensures a smooth user experience. Number 1. 800W 6-blade wind generator. This innovative wind generator is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It's perfect for various applications, from boats to remote cabins. The 6-blade design makes installation, maintenance, and repairs incredibly simple. It's built for user-friendliness. Its 6 blades and aerodynamic design work together to capture more wind energy, increasing your annual power generation. You'll get more power for your needs. It features a permanent magnet rotor alternator and a specially designed stator to minimize drag and maximize efficiency. This ensures optimal performance. The perfectly matched generator and wind turbine ensure reliable operation and long-lasting performance. It's built to last. Power your boat, cabin, or mobile home with clean, renewable energy. It's the perfect solution for off-grid living. What we like. This industrial-grade turbine boasts superior efficiency thanks to its innovative design. If you're looking for a high-performance wind generator for industrial or commercial use, this is an excellent choice. Its robust construction and advanced features ensure reliable and efficient power generation. What people say. Antes tenía un generator eólico de 400W y 3 aspas, mi funcionaba excelente y cambié a 800W de 8 aspas y ahora es muy silencioso. Funciona muy bien pero solo en lugares donde hay buenos vientos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.